Ever wondered why some people speak English so well, without even opening a single dusty book today? They are not geniuses with massive brains, but they simply changed how they treat this new language. Most of us look at English as a scary monster, hiding inside a very thick and boring grammar manual. You sit down at your desk, and you tell your brain that it is time to suffer for exactly 1 hour now. Your brain hates suffering, so it shuts down faster than a cheap laptop running a heavy video game. Stop being a student and start being a roommate with English because it wants to live with you now. The secret is not about working harder, but about making English feel as normal as your morning coffee. First, you should change your phone settings to English, because you look at that screen way too much. It feels like a small nightmare at first, but your eyes will soon learn the new words without effort. You will stop seeing translated words and start seeing actions, which is how your brain truly learns. Why would you pay for a class when your favorite movie characters can teach you for free on Netflix? Do not watch movies to study them, but watch them to enjoy the drama and the funny jokes they tell. Forget about the dictionary for a moment, and just let the sounds wash over your ears like the ocean. When you stop worrying about every single word, you start catching the real rhythm of the speakers. Try talking to yourself in the shower, because the water is the only judge who will never laugh now. Describe your lunch or complain about the weather using simple sentences that feel easy and natural. You do not need a partner to practice, because your own voice is the best tool you have in your house. Thinking in English is like a superpower that you can activate while you are waiting for the busy bus. Instead of translating from your native tongue, just name the things you see around you in the street. Most learners fail because they try to be perfect, but perfection is the enemy of actual daily flow. Making mistakes is just your brain's way of saying that it is trying something new and very exciting. Laugh at your own errors, because a happy learner always picks up new phrases much faster than a pro. Your hobbies are the perfect playground for English, so go find a YouTube video about your interests. If you love gaming, then play with people online and shout instructions in English during the battle. If you love cooking, then follow a recipe from a chef who speaks English while he chops the big onion. This turns your study time into fun time, and your brain will forget that it is actually learning now. Fluency is not a finish line that you cross, but a journey that you enjoy every single day of your life. You do not need to spend 5 hours a day, because 5 minutes of real usage is much better for you. Consistency is the magic sauce that makes everything work, so just do one small thing every single day. Read a funny tweet or listen to a short song, and try to sing along even if you sound a bit like a frog. The goal is to make English feel like an old friend who is always hanging out on your comfortable sofa. Stop apologizing for your accent, because your accent shows that you already speak another language. Be proud of every small win, like understanding a meme or ordering a coffee without any shaking hands. Real life does not have a grade or a teacher with a red pen waiting to mark your bad grammar errors. Real life is about connection and sharing ideas with people from all over this very big and wide world. When you relax your mind, the words will start to come out more naturally than you ever thought possible. Start today by promising yourself that you will stop being so hard on your brain during your lessons. Switch that phone right now and feel the tiny spark of progress as you navigate your digital world. Watch one short comedy clip and laugh out loud, even if you only understood half of what they said then. You are doing much better than you think, so keep moving forward with a big smile on your lovely face. English is a gift that opens many doors to new friends and amazing jobs in many different countries. Treat it with love and curiosity instead of fear, and you will see the results faster than ever before. I believe in your ability to master this language, because you are clearly dedicated to your own growth. If you enjoyed these tips, then please hit the like button and share this with your fellow learners now. Subscribe for more fun ways to improve your English, and I will see you in the next exciting video here.